This food self never won't finish. It's like you don't finish because they want to take the hungry. This food the tigers in me. I told them hungry, but one can't chew them. Okay. I'll take a roll, I don't watch well. Yeah. So if you tell this one, you want to hit your head, you don't go hear anything, you don't go feel like make a first look and cup and spoon. This boy, what did this boy they write to me? This boy they write to me. That's the person who comes back. I've played this food, I don't feel talking before. Jesus is Lord. God of Abraham. Waiting. This one are magic or waiting. I just drop food, never go carry something before I come and food not empty. Yeah? They don't chop this meat. I never taste this meat. Now spirit. I will call these people for this house. I must ask them. I will ask these people for this house who chop this food. Who chop this food? Because this food not be like the way I keep this food so like this. I don't keep this food like this. Somebody touched this food. I must call these people today. I must ask them. I must ask them. No sense. Don't go Moody. It gets something to happen to this house. I'm sure for the house. I dropped my food. Yeah. I dropped food. So this issue not be issue. Let me say first, who chopped this food? Who chopped this food? Because I dropped this food. I just want this food. Make I go carry something for inside before I come. See, they don't chop meat and never touch it. They don't share the meat to chew. One side don't go Jerusalem.
Wait, to finish. Wait. They ask me, they ask me, I'll be the power for me. I say, no idea. This man ask me that kind of question. When you don't say, since I get inside, I got to do my thing.
This issue will not be the issue now.
See, I'm not tell you, actually, I'm not going to concern this food.
Yeah, but one of the lose guy for this cabin.
My guy, you know, if you guys chop your food, you go for chop your food.
One of the lose guy for this.
Concern with your food.
One of the lose guy.
I don't need to concern your food. I just go inside, they do my things. But let me chop your food.
This guy they come. Dongo they come.
Okay.
We have to wait for Dongo. Of course, sit down. No,
that one day. Because if I don't chop that food, then we go change that for now.
Because I respect that guy.
Yeah. No wait for now.
But this food, nobody.
Because for me, not be chop. If I don't inside, they do my thing.
Nobody go outside.
I didn't say that you come in for. I'm not saying that the food chop, but if you get chop, if you don't go chop the food, me your personally tell them as they go.
Muti,
don't worry.
This no go take comot today.
Because somebody wants to chop the food, go tell us say, see, I want chop your food. You go give you the right. Say,
if I let you
flex, no as they go. Kind of one spirit, one love, you know as they go. You know, I'm saying go chop his food, you just
don't go
up. You know, then as you go.
Alpha, no, this will not be panic. Why the panic? I just call you begin the panic. It's like you know what's in the ground. Guy, let the main show. Something show.
We don't see anything, they panic,
Main show, no. Everywhere no good. The weather carry two wave. guy, you need to come back to this hour.
You get my shop person for escape. In the panic. We know as they go, may come.
Yeah, sure.
If you don't shop the food, do not come tell you, say not shop the food.
Nonsense. Nonsense. And they wait for her for here.
Yeah, we wait for her. Wait for her. More much they go. I mean, I'm just surprised, man. Because I got inside, they do my thing, so this one.
The food, you just share. He said to true. One go to Jerusalem, one go to Galilee. In fact, see,
he really design your food, yo. And if you miss it, because if you go enjoy the part where the flesh, the part where they enter brain. Because if you sleep the bone for you. I'm very sure. Me comfort. If you enjoy. Everywhere. Also, we don't get dressed for years. I don't now. Something they stop. I will not know as they go. Stand for. Before go table the man.
This one, go for waiting your boat.
Waiting. They won't carry food.
I serve food. I want to go since morning. Guy, I serve food. I go inside. I want to carry something before I come back. They don't touch this food. Put up. I know they have since morning. Now you supposed to ask. I go use plan. Now you supposed to use plan. This one, I see. Now you are there has since morning. Yeah. This one, about this food. Look me well. The shop say not be shop this food. Now I keep the food. Now I say, look me well. Look me well. Shop what chop. I can't go you remember. Shop say not be chop the food. I'll come half your eye. What you cannot be chop this food. Which one are they? Because this is not the shop for this house for a long time. You know they complain on this food. Where? No, they complain on this food. Last time you say they take my guy. So if I chop it, tell them based on one love. My guy, I know what to do. Now you say go chop it. We will see. No, you say not be chopping. The one whole and only man. When I can't give me match up. We will see. Because I talk about they say they chop it food. They say me they chop it. I not be plan, my guy. Because I don't say what that the best. Don't call me about food. No, I don't say what that the best. You say your eye. I'm not too sure. She never be tell say. Forget that. Say don't chop. You just say chop man. Based on one love. And that one day.
The food there has person not chop.
That one see person go chop. But not be see no get person go steal person food. Let it be.
My guy, you go stand. Now still not in answer.
I want
to say you chop that food. One guy, come over here.
This one, I
don't chop person food.
Don't chop person food.
Now like, see you
go settle the nigga. You go
that food.
You go hear and house.
That one you. I tell you when the men want to carry food. I'm trying to say carry food, chop food. Which food? Now get food.
First talker.
Today, that's what they drink my drink. We will see. I don't go meet Baba. I don't meet Baba. Baba don't give me. He don't give me the medicine. We will see for this house. No one will say, my best thing on I want to talk or we meet every day for this house. They said every day for the thief, one day for the owner. We will see. Today na my day. Confirm. Now I'm poor. Me no like I know. You just empty like that. My papa say I touch this paper like this. This medicine if I touch am 3 times. Correct. See. Don't be say I'm going to chop person thing for this house. Correct. That's it. You will still come drink am. You can't drink am. I will see today. This guy they enjoy. Confirm. I talk the idiots. They don't come again. They don't come drink am again. This drink now, I personally drink and this share, but you don't reach share. Okay now, I just talk and say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. Today, I go see the thief who they do this for this as we go see. We go see today. Okay now, we go see. So my surface is down here. Men know that say I come on go far away. I go there the wait. I don't wait till they come. I don't do like say I don't know anything. Everywhere good, everywhere balance. How you play now?
Man, everywhere good.
Are you there at this house this morning?
No, I just go somewhere. I try to go somewhere. I come back now. Not few minutes ago.
I first check you know they are around.
I be travel.
If I say don't go sef no dey.
Mama say no say that man get as way you stay. If he dey, I no go know. They do like wetin I don't know, you know. Get as way you stay. So
today I still drop my drink here. Now I won't go bring something. I drink this drink reach here. Before I come back now, they don't drink and reach here.
Another one again for them.
They don't.
They shop for this our house. Not be me. So
don't go. Who drinks the last first? Guy, who drinks this drink?
This one.
Who drink that?
How na go there with drink? When I see the ask me say who drink. Okay, what tell me say never drink from this beer.
Don't go wait. See, I just come back from travel now just a few minutes ago. So you come just before they come and say they still taking drink. So as they go, you know, say last time you tell you say any person want to take somebody something, me tell me I want to take your time. They don't based on one law, few lesser. But last time now everybody denied. So now I need complain.
Who drink?
Me personally not there. I'm not taking drink. Who take the drink?
I don't take drink. Drink is there when I come to. Guy, I know my service on the drink.
Okay, wanna know what?
What's the best not me taking drink?
Let me tell you something first. Let me tell you. This drink here, as I keep this drink here, I don't just keep her like that. This drink, I first tell one, I say village drink here from cup. That village drink is saying I head they tell you what come. Let go dey up like that village drink here from cup. I go let you know today. So they don't drink this drink. But more than guess,
point of correction, you go say you go let the person know, not go know because me know
that. More than guess what I do to this drink.
You know what I mean? Good for the drink when you even the power.
More than
tell us, no.
You guess now.
You understand?
Don't go guess. What I
get wetin I wan guess wey no be say you no put the drink for inside fridge. Say the drink in the box.
They talk A, go they talk B. Your word, I don't know what they understand.
See this drink I don't poison now.
You do wetin? You poison wetin get poison now?
I poison this drink.
Forget that one.
Only that one I know say no go shock you, but the person go know say don't drink. When woman they see you also, that water when they say wash that pan there and pour am inside.
You mean that?
What the fuck?
Guys, I pour am inside. I pour am. So dog shit I grind and pour am inside.
This guy don't get joy, yo.
He drink. So
now you see
when I see drinker.
The person go consume everything now. You go concoction. When you put inside the
poison this drink.
When the person continue the drinker. Make he continue.
So I don't drink a woman.
So listen, guys, I said so I don't drink a woman.
No, wait.